In this video, I'll show you how to create a UGC video ad like this.
A velvet tote with hand-embroidered birds? Yeah, I was surprised too. This isn't just a bag, it's literal wearable art.
This shampoo is amazing, and you must use it for your own work. I hope you like it.
Now let's create one. Open TopView AI, link in description. Click on Sign Up and create your account. After signing up, the TopView dashboard will open. Now click on the Product Avatar section. After this, select the mode, Manual or Auto. Manual means you need to adjust your product image yourself. In Auto mode, AI will automatically arrange your product image. I'll select Auto. After choosing the mode, you need to select your UGC avatar for the video. Here you'll see many types of creators available. Now select one avatar for your ad. After choosing the avatar, upload your product image. Here, I'm using a dummy image for this demo. Now click on Generate. It will create your product avatar image in just a few seconds. Now your product image is ready. Next, click on Create Avatar to move forward. Now select the avatar action mode. These modes decide how your UGC creator will act in the video. Choose one based on your preference. Now select the audio you want to add to your video. You can either type a custom script for AI voice or upload your own audio. You can also select the subtitle style. Click on this section and you'll find many subtitle style options. Pick the one you like for your video. After setting up everything, click Generate. Your video will start generating, which usually takes 2 to 3 minutes.
This is a cream, you can apply it on your face. I am user-generated content creator, hope you like it.
Your UGC video is now ready. You can play, download, or use it directly for your product. Thanks for watching my video.